Welcome to English Listening Hub YouTube channel. We share stories in English that appeal to all language levels. You can improve your English skills with these stories. If you like our videos, you can subscribe to our channel to support us. Thanks for watching. Healthy eating. Eating a healthy diet is important for our overall health and well-being. It can help us maintain a healthy weight, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and improve our energy levels. To eat healthily, it is important to include a variety of foods from all the food groups in our meals. These include fruits, vegetables, grains, protein foods, and dairy. Eating a variety of foods ensures that we get all the nutrients our bodies need to function properly. Fruits and vegetables are an important part of a healthy diet as they are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Aim to have at least 5 portions of fruits and vegetables each day. Grains, such as bread, rice, and pasta, provide us with energy and fiber. Choose whole grain options, such as brown rice and whole wheat bread, as they are more nutritious. Protein foods, such as meat, fish, and beans, are important for building and repairing our body tissues. Choose lean meats, such as chicken and turkey, and try to have at least 2 portions of fish each week. Dairy foods, such as milk, cheese, and yogurt, provide us with calcium, which is important for healthy bones. Choose low-fat or fat-free options. In addition to eating a variety of foods, it is important to limit our intake of foods that are high in fat, salt, and sugar. These include processed foods, sugary drinks, and snacks. Instead, choose healthier snacks such as fruit, nuts, or yogurt. In conclusion, eating a healthy diet is essential for our overall health and well-being. By including a variety of foods from all the food groups in our meals, and limiting our intake of unhealthy foods, we can ensure that we are providing our bodies with the nutrients they need to function properly.